Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Quantify. I'm going to show you the process of getting a copy of your product catalogue that is within Quantify and exporting it out as a PDF document or exporting it into Excel. Let's get started. To get a kit list of all the equipment that I have across all my branches, I can simply do this. I can go into product catalog where it'll give me a list of all the equipment I have, as well as additional information like my weight, the cost I paid for it, the list price, what I'm selling it for, and then obviously if there's any last costs, that information can be added in as well. So to export this information, I can go into here, I can do a pivot report to gather more information, or I can go into products and this will give me a PDF printout of all the equipment, and if I need to do any changes to this, I can export this out into Excel by just simply going into here, clicking on Excel, saving it. I'll update it, then I can open it up, and there you go, my list of information of all the equipment I have within my Quantify, where I can do any changes that I need to do. And if I was to create a rate profile, I've got my columns already set up with the information I needed, and then I can just add and remove these columns. I can just add in a price for my rate profile if needed. So that is a simple way of exporting the information from my Quantify, ready to do any imports available within Quantify. I hope that helps. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.